When I was a child, I was watching cooking TV shows and was inspired by the chefs, watching them creating some amazing dishes. When I finally decided to study culinary arts, I was looking for different colleges and found Intercollege to be most suitable for me. My lecturers helped me a lot to learn many things. They inspired and motivated me day by day to become better, sharing their knowledge with me. Both theory and practical workflow at Intercollege helped me to gain my self-confidence by doing my work in a restaurant. Intercollege awarded me with an academic title and gave me all the knowledge and the experience to spread my wings into a wonderful career. Erasmus Plus program helped me not only to work in one of the best restaurants in the world, but helped me to do my internship in one of the best restaurants in the world called Osteria Francescana, that is awarded with 3 Michelin stars. It also helped me to experience the life in Italy and especially in the city of Modena. I was able to use different techniques to gain my skills in cooking. The skills I gained at Intercollege Culinary Arts program will help me in the future in my profession. I can easily find a job either in restaurants or hotels.